This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by getting the camera ready. Firmware must be current so GPS firmware and maps match. Once updated, go into Preferences, Open Connections, and turn GPS on. You should see the small GPS icon on the top status bar. Then position the camera with a clear view of sky and wait 30 to 90 seconds for a satellite fix. Do not start recording until the icon indicates a lock, because data won't be accurate otherwise. With GPS locked, record is normal. The Hero 12 embeds telemetry into each video file so speed, elevation, and heading are captured. Once you finish, import files into Gopro Quick on your phone or computer, because that app reads the embedded telemetry and creates overlays. In Quick, choose the clip, Open Telemetry options, pick the fields you want, and then either export a new video with burned-in telemetry or export GPX data for mapping. This step finish by verifying the exported clip in Quick shows the telemetry you picked, or open the GPX file in a mapping app to confirm tracks. If you don't see GPS data, troubleshoot. Make sure the Hero 12 firmware is current, grant location permissions to your phone app, and confirm the camera had a clear sky lock when recording. If problems persist, restart the camera, re-enable GPS, and record a short test clip while watching the GPS icon. That validation proves the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.